They've already, the event, well, sorry, the road march starts at 11 a.m. and it's now 11:30. They have already, hold on, that's not right. Yeah, they've already left already. So I'm gonna meet them somewhere on the road. So come with me, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this experience. I mean, Carnival is an experience in itself. It's fun. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. See you on the road. As you can see, guys, there is no music playing. We're passing the Andrews Memorial Hospital, so you know you have to be very quiet and respectful of the hospital. So there's no music playing. So after we pass the hospital, then you know it's blazing music again. Yeah, so to lunch, and then yeah, I will be taking off my feathers for the second round of the road march. I'm not, you know, that's what I always do. First part of the road march, have your feathers, you can take all the pretty pictures, but after lunch, boy, get rid of this feather, and so you can be free and fully enjoy the road. You know what I'm saying? So the sun is crazy. I'll see you guys later. Hey y'all, so we're here at lunch at the Ranny Williams Center. So we're gonna break for lunch and relax, and then after we're back on the road. Carnival 2022! So excited! Thank you.
Put your hands in the air. Water truck. But the water give us 30 seconds to pass by. So we don't wet the laptops. Respect, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey beautiful people, so closing out Carnival 2022. I really hope you guys enjoyed the road for today. The road was awesome. Like, we've been missing Carnival for 2 years, so you know the road was lit. I had super fun. Drinks was flowing. Like, I'm a little bit tipsy right now, but the party was lit. Carnival Sunday, Bacchanal. Thank you as always. By the way, based on the clips that you guys have seen, I did go to Exodus section because my cousins were there, and within probably like 30 minutes of the road march, someone one of the bouncers, that's what they call them, once you do have a specific band for that section, they will kick you out. So that's what happened. We got spotted out within probably 30 minutes of the road march, so we had to leave. So then after that I went back to Bacchanal Jamaica, but I wanted to spend some time with my cousins. That's all. That's the only reason why I went to Exodus. Like, it's Bacchanal always. Bacchanal, I'm loyal. Hope you guys like my costume. Like, it was so I can't believe it's over, but we're in the middle, almost in the middle of the year, right? By October, November, the bands in Jamaica will have a costume launch, so we'll be able to see what the costumes will be looking for 2023. So super excited about that, and I thank you guys for watching. Signing out for Bacchanal, for Carnival in Jamaica 2022. It was super fun. I hope you guys enjoy the preview. Like, it's lit. Carnival is always in April. I'm not sure if they posted the date yet, but it's normally, I think, you know what, probably the 2nd or 3rd week in April. But if they do post that, or if I'm aware of what the dates will be in 2023, I will post it, show you the date now, right, that that Carnival will be in 2023. If not, you guys can just follow Bacchanal at Jamaica, follow at Exodus Carnival, and follow Jamaica as well. Those are the 3 bands in Jamaica that, you know, yeah, I'll show you a good time for Carnival in Jamaica. Comment down below. The comments are still kind of empty-ish sometimes, so comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my videos. Let me know what you guys think of the preview that I showed you guys for Carnival 2022. Just let me know if you wish you were here. You know, just light me up. Just send a message. So appreciate you guys for watching, and thank you. Peace.